Guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix unable to authenticate error on Multiversus. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing what I suggest you to do here is to check server status of Multiversus. So you can go to Steam charts and look for if there is players playing the game and the servers is not down, or simply you just need to go to Twitter on Multiversus and look if there is no maintenance that is basically right now. And if it's not the case, then another thing that I suggest to do here is to test your internet connection. For example, go to fast.com and test your internet speed. If you're getting bad speed, maybe restart your router, limit some devices, make sure you are on the right Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi connection. And if your internet speed is good, you're good to go, then we can proceed with another steps, right? So another step is to if you are on PC, you can flush your DNS server addresses, and to do so you need to just open up cmd or command prompt, right click on it, run as admin. Then here you need to write IP config/flush DNS, and then another one is nesh winsock reset, right? And after that, you start your computer. Another thing that you can do here, you need to go to network settings. Then you need to go to network and internet, advanced network settings, select network reset and reset your network. If you're using Wi-Fi, you need to put your password again. And if you're using Ethernet cable, you're good to go here. You don't need to do nothing. Another thing that you can do here, you can identify your internet connection, expand it, more adapter options, edit, double click on Internet Protocol version 4, and select use the following DNS server addresses and change your DNS server addresses. For example, 8.8.8.8 or an alternative 8.8.4.4, and apply the changes, right? Another thing that you need to do here is to open up Steam. Then go to Multiversus, right click on it, open properties, verify integrity of the game files, and after you do that, then press browse, and then copy the path of the game folder. Here just press on the blank space and then copy the path. Then what you need to do here is to go on search, go to virus and threat protection. Then you need to go to virus and threat protection, manage settings, scroll down, go to exclusions, add remove exclusion, and then here select add exclusion folder and copy the path of that particular folder and select folder. I already did that, so I cannot do that, but you can, right? And another thing that you need to do here is to open up Windows Defender Firewall, and on Windows Defender Firewall, make sure to allow an alpha feature, then change settings. Click on one of the tasks here and press M. So you can see here it should be Multiversus somewhere here, and look if it's on private or public. If you can't see the Multiversus, what you need to do here is to press allow another app, then hit browse, then copy the path that you paste the path that you copied earlier, and then you need to add exe file. Right, open, add. I already did that, so I'm getting error, but it should work for you. Yeah, that's pretty much it.